all depend on California's transportation system to get us where we need to go. And thanks to a landmark investment to fix the state's aging infrastructure, we can continue to do so safely and efficiently. SB 1 subscribes to a fix-it-first philosophy, investing billions of dollars into areas that need it. The money is collected through taxes and fees you pay when you fill up at the pump or register your vehicle through the DMV. SB 1 funds are split evenly between the state and local governments to fix our aging infrastructure, support the efficient movement of goods throughout the state, expand access to safe pathways for people who walk and bike, and improve transit and rail travel to create more options for Californians to avoid congestion. Since the passage of SB 1, Caltrans is fixing more each year. We pave an average of 2,100 lane miles, fix an average of 211 bridges, and repair an average of 180,300 feet of culverts, roughly the equivalent of driving from the Golden Gate Bridge to Stanford. Caltrans has also used money from SB 1 to update or add 3,700 traffic management technologies, which include highway cameras, traffic signals, and ramp meters. This helps traffic flow during commute hours. In addition to these improvements, money from SB 1 is creating thousands of jobs across the state. Despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic over the last year, Caltrans is moving forward. Less people on the road across the state provided an opportunity to complete major SB 1 projects ahead of schedule, including the Alamany Bridge deck replacement in the Bay Area, which was originally planned for 18 days, but completed in 9, without any significant impact to the traveling public. Other projects completed since the passage of SB 1 and prior to COVID-19 include the repair and resurfacing of Highway 113 between Rio Vista and Dixon, Highway 59 in Merced and Madera counties, and the replacement of 6 bridges on Highway 99 near Modesto, which improved road conditions and reduced the need for major bridge rehabilitation in the future. The Francisco Boulevard Multi-Use Pathway project in San Rafael created a safe travel alternative near an existing rail line, which gives travelers an option to avoid congestion. Caltrans has also invested SB 1 funds into 7 projects aimed at addressing critical congestion points, 28 projects that improve how goods move throughout the state, and 45 projects that enhance rail and transit infrastructure while reducing greenhouse gas emissions to tackle climate change. These projects, along with numerous others funded by SB 1, are improving air quality, increasing access for all users, supporting jobs, and creating safer, more resilient communities across California. To learn more about the current SB 1 projects taking place in your community, head to rebuildingcalifornia.ca.gov.